Hey, so I'm just gonna hold these like a baby. So
Those
they
are the
fit
new babies.
666 lids. Get up in here. Get up in here. Dual tweeters. We threw these grills in just so you guys can see how badass they look. Works with factory hardware, or you could mold them on. Either way, 14 and up, or 09 to 13 if you upgrade to the newer bags. But I mean, I think we knocked it out of the park here. The speakers are all tilted in different directions. The horns are one horn's pointed forward, one's tilted back. I mean, it's hard to get all this shit in one little lid. But anyway, I want to show you underneath too without the grills falling out. There'll be a little bit of trimming of the hardware. There's going to be a video that goes with it. You got to trim the factory hardware a little bit. But pretty excited here. I just want to put my baby right there. Thanks for looking, Dirty Bird.